Welcome to Canvas. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate the different links within each of the Canvas courses and what each of those items do within the course and how to best allow you to understand where to find assignments and how to best help your student be successful within their courses using Canvas. You'll notice that I'm over here on our dashboard. The dashboard is the welcome screen that you'll see within Canvas, and there are a couple things worth noting here. Each one of these tiles is a different course that your student will be enrolled in, although mine are different, as you can see here on the screen, but this will show you all the courses that your student is enrolled in. And to click on those, you simply click on the tile and that will take you into the course. Before we go into the course, I want to draw your attention over here to this upper right corner where we see coming up and recent feedback. When the school year is in full session, you'll see a third option, which is past due assignments. So the coming up, you'll see any assignments that are coming up within the next week. And then recent feedback would be recently assessed items that the teacher has provided either a grade for or has provided written feedback for that. But then you would also see a list of any past due assignments that need to get done as well. So this is a great way for you to very quickly see where your students are at with completing their assignments within Canvas. So to access a course, we're simply going to click on our course. The course we're going to be looking at here is this test course I kind of put together. And we'll see that we're here. So whether we're looking at the home, a lot of times our instructors will use the home and the syllabus as the same thing. So in this case, if I click on home, it's going to take me right back to the syllabus page. That's the way that this particular course is set up. So anytime you need to go back to the home page, you can click on home or click on syllabus. It'll take you back to the same place. There are no announcements right now for this particular course, but announcements would be where teachers would typically post their e-learning, their virtual learning, or maybe if there's upcoming assessment dates. I know some other instructors will post their weekly agenda for the week. So these are all places to go to. So from here on out, I'm going to switch over to our student view. And here we go. So you'll see that we have a lot fewer options over here on the left-hand side, but this list is how you're going to go through the entire course. So discussions, again, there are no discussions for this course, but sometimes there are instructors who will utilize the discussions within class. So whether it might be discussing a video that they saw together, or maybe discussing some readings that they had from a book, that would be a great opportunity for them to use the discussions. Sometimes those discussions are graded, and most of the time they're just for participation, but that's where you can find the link to all of your discussions. What I want us to look at now is something called grades. The grades tab is a great place for you as a parent to kind of see where your student is at within their given course. So you'll see here that Canvas is automatically going to tell you if something is missing or if it is late. So this is a really easy way for you to see what's missing. You'll see the point values here. The dash here would be represented by an actual number based on the score that the student earned on that particular task. So this is a really easy way to see where your student is at within each of those courses. You'll notice that each of these assignments is linked, and so by simply clicking a button, instantly we get brought to this particular assignment and we can submit that assignment. Usually you'll be able to see the information related to this assignment, but then to submit the assignment, you just click on Submit Assignment. Here's the description, and you can see that we can either upload a file, we can do a webcam video for that particular assignment, or we can also link a Google Doc from our Google Drive. So these are all the different ways your student can submit. So again, that's how we submit assignments on Canvas. So we're back here at the grades page. So again, you can access any of these assignments by clicking the links here. Another way to access assignments is to go to modules. Each teacher has a unique way that they design their course and the course layout on Canvas. So we're not all going to be the same. It is worth a little bit of effort to maybe get some clarification from each of the instructors to see how they organize their course. But in this case, the gray areas that we see here, these are your module titles. Another way to think about a module would be more like a unit or maybe like a project. Underneath that module, we have links to different information. So this is a page, and then this one is an assignment. So we can access the different lessons, and then we can access the assignment related to each of those lessons here within the layout of our modules. If you're looking for individual lessons, a lot of times those will be listed here under pages, and so you can very quickly link into those pages as well from here. And lastly, we have assignments, and we can see our full list of assignments here within the course. So again, as a parent sitting at home trying to help your child navigate through Canvas, this is a great way to do that. And also make sure that you're using the dashboard option to kind of see where they're at with any upcoming or missing work. And like we said, within the course itself, you can click on grades to see those missing works as well. One more option I want to show you that I think would be helpful for parents is to look at the calendar. That will show you different assignments that are due. So we click on the calendar, and this gives you opportunity. So right now there are no assignments that are due during this month of May. You would use this information here to kind of see when assignments are coming up, and as soon as the teacher or instructor puts a due date on the assignment, it'll pop up on the calendar with that due date as well. So this is a great way to kind of see what's coming up in the course, as well as any past due assignments as well.